I swear I had that.
No, you didn't. Every beginner does this. Full throttle, no idea.
I do have an idea, actually.
Yeah, just not the right one. So I've built something to fix it. Everyone, this is AP.
Hi, everyone.
You might know her as AP Visionz. She shoots fast cars.
And I drive them better than you might think.
Well, we'll see about that.
So, instead of letting beginners go full speed, destroying everything in their path, we broke it into levels. Level 1 is about control. Level 2 is consistency. Level 3, Racecraft. And full license is freedom. Each level changes how the car behaves. You don't unlock speed until you can handle it.
So basically, you're slowing me down.
No. What I'm doing is preventing you from destroying everything. So you good to go?
Let's do it.
Okay. Level 1, just don't crash.
Now that's insulting.
I know. Go. Ooh, nice.
Ooh.
And you're out. So you have to start again.
I don't want to start again.
That's lap 1. Nice and clean.
Ooh.
Okay. Let me take away. Stop pushing. Okay, we took that away. Let's go. You're out already.
That was a fluke.
Yeah, sure. Nice and smooth. Good. Lap 1. Lap 2. Good. You need to do lane changes as well.
Am I not? Oh. Does that count as?
That's okay. That's okay. I will count that.
Thank you.
So lap, what was that? 3.
3.
Nice. And 4. How do you find the speed?
Good. I want to go faster though.
Of course you will. Ah! You wanted to go faster, you said?
My own words.
Okay. You start all over again. Nice. Lap 1. Nice. Lap 2. Lap 3. And final lap. And this is where you messed up before, isn't it?
It is.
Continue. And remember, you have to come to a complete stop within the zone. Continue. And that's 5.
That was
passed.
That was way harder than I thought.
With a job well done. Our guinea pig has progressed to the next level. Now we add more speed, but less control. And we also introduce some traffic.
So, 60% speed. Don't get greedy.
You're kidding.
Ooh. Oh. So, this is what you need to learn. You need to learn to be clean.
Nah, I prefer dirty racing.
So try not to lose it. Too greedy.
I call it ambition.
Okay, that's lap 1. Yeah, you're getting closer. Don't be too ambitious. Nice, clean, and you got your overtake. It's lap 2. Lap 3.
This ghost car is better than I thought.
Lap 4. Oh, you lost it.
Cut that one out.
Okay, you're nice and close. Don't lose it now. No, that's not a clean overtake.
Come on!
You're not supposed to do that.
I'm basically a NASCAR driver.
Okay, all over again. Lap 1.
How many overtakes?
Lap 2. You need to do 3 of them.
Alright.
Lap 3.
I'll be nice and let the ghost car catch up, you know, so I can overtake him.
That's okay, I'll hold it for you for a little bit. This is not bending the rules. And magically you caught up. So you are on lap 5? Yeah, don't mess it up now.
No.
Good, you let him go. Sometimes you need to do that. Be careful there. Good. Lap 6. Yes, yes, overtake. Number 2. Lap 7. You're doing good. You're doing well.
Oh! That wasn't my fault. He's playing dirty.
That's okay, so you can continue. 2 laps left.
Oh boy. Oh!
Be careful. You were a little bit lucky there. The last round. And you did all 3 of them. Remember, at the end of this round, you need to stop within the limits of the pit box.
Yeah!
Oh, look at this!
There we go.
How close is that? It's right on the line. Can you see it?
What did I say? What did I say?
Okay, that's 10
I'm a
clean
legend.
laps. Control racing. And you came to the stop right at the point. You passed.
Hell yeah.
With another little win, we move to the last challenge. Now it's not just control, it's decisions. Traffic, pressure, timing. It's about racecraft.
Okay, this is the one. Pass this, and you're one of us. Hold this. You might need it.
Oh boy.
And also, this. Let's go. Lights out and away you go. Nice and clean.
Damn.
Yeah, that's marshalling. Let me hold this one. just lost your position. Oh no, that was a ghost car. I was like, what the heck?
Get me mixed up with those losers.
Remember, you need to do 2 pit stops within the zone. Can you feel the speed?
Oh, I feel it.
Yes, you can continue. Eight laps. On the 9th lap. And you have first position. You caught
We've
a
got
little bit.
debris on track, debris on track.
Well, you do the marshalling.
Ah,
You caught a penalty, but that's because you jumped the pit stop delta, but that's okay, we're not going to count that. It's not part of the assessment.
there you go.
You're doing well. It's half the race. A little bit more. Yeah, that's it. Oh, you also
Right
served your
after-
penalty. Ooh. You're quick, boy. You're quick. Okay, let's see your overtake skills.
Oh,
Nice and clean. And another one. Oh, that's a lot of track. You lost it again.
oh,
Ah!
no! This will end me.
Good job. Good job. You're almost there. Oh! You see, you tried to do the overtake the wrong time.
These cars are tough.
You have to think ahead.
Do I need another pit stop?
Yeah, let's do another one. Why not? You actually lead by 4 laps, so. Ooh!
Haha, you
You
see
almost
that?
lost it there. And you're done.
Oh, do you hear that? I think I hear do 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 do.
AP.
AP Visionz.
Okay, that was solid.
Thank
Well
you.
done.
And like that, full license is granted. From now on, it's full speed, no limits, just racing.
Now, how about a friendly race?
There is nothing friendly about the way I race.
If you call
Whoa. Coming for you.
No, you're not.
Ah,
Ooh.
that was close.
Ah.
I'm behind you.
Ah.
And now I'm in front of you. Good control though, good control. I like it.
It's much nicer staying on track. Come on, old man.
That's blocking. I'll get you on this one. I'll get you on this one.
No, you won't.
Whoa!
You ruined my drift.
And knock knock. Knock knock. Can you hear me knocking?
I am not letting you pass me.
Whoa!
What a save.
You hold that position nicely. Like a warrior. Like a warrior princess.
Oh, again.
Yeah. Woo. Nice.
I'm AP Visionz, and I photograph cars and bikes for my Instagram.
How you found it?
Good, a bit challenging, but pretty fun, honestly.
You found it helpful?
Definitely. Having levels, structure definitely helps improve the skills. I think it helps you build all the skills that you need to actually race with a pro. It surprised me that I could come off the track so easily even at low speeds. I was expecting for the lower levels to be way easier. Crashed a lot. Got a little bit too greedy with the speed. I hated being slow, but you gotta do what you gotta do to level up. Having another car on the track definitely made it more difficult. I thought I would perform way better, but that ghost car humbled me a little bit. I could never be in Drive to Survive. I forget everything.
Here's your license.
Thank you very much.
But there's a catch on that. If you look a little bit closer, you notice that it's on magnet mode.
What is pro mode?
If you want real racing, you do it again, but this time without magnets.
Oh, for fuck's sake. I didn't even know they had magnets.
If you want to run this with friends or kids, the full license system is in the Scalextric Master Shop. Link in the description.
Weirdly enough, it works.
Use it properly and earn your speed. Crafty?
And AP?
Out. Everyone, this is AP.
Hi everyone.
She shoots fast cars. She used to... This is AP. Ready? She shoots fast cars.
And I drive them.
Everyone, come on. If you want to run this with friends or kids, it's in the Scalextric Master. Yeah, I think we got it. That was good.